Hi, greetings. My name is Erica Papa from Boho Kitchen, and today we're going to make a broccoli salad for Christmas. We're going to make a little vegetable to put on the table with all the other rich things. So first we're going to make a hazelnut vinaigrette to go on our broccoli. I've toasted some hazelnuts and I put those in my jam jar. I'm going to make the vinaigrette in here. And to that we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. This is champagne vinegar. You can use whatever type that you like. And we'll put a little bit of minced shallot in there. Shallot really adds a nice kind of mild onion flavor to the vinaigrette. And a dash of honey just for balance. And now the olive oil. And you could also use a nut oil here. Hazelnut oil would be nice, maybe a blend. But we're going to do 6 tablespoons about of olive oil. And then we put on the lid. This is the fun part. And shake it up. And this emulsifies the dressing, and it's much easier than whisking. Okay, so we have a nice dressing, and we're just going to add a little salt and pepper to that and give it another shake. Okay, so we're going to switch out. Let's move all of these over here, and we have our broccoli. And I blanched the broccoli in boiling salted water for about 2 minutes. You want it to still have a bite to it. You don't want it to be too soft for a salad, okay? And here's our dish. It's good to have vegetables for the kids as well. Being a mom, right? They don't want to eat their vegetables on Christmas. So we're going to put all of our broccoli into the bowl. And it really has a nice green color. Okay. We're going to toss it in our vinaigrette. And you know, really, you could serve this just like this with the hazelnut vinaigrette, but we're going to add some other really nice special things because it's Christmas. So we'll give it a toss. And then we're going to crumble in some bacon. Bacon and broccoli are actually really delicious together. I love them. I love bacon in anything, really. Okay, so we'll put our bacon in. And we will put in some golden raisins for a little bit of sweetness. You see what's happening here? A little smoke, a little sweet, a little acid with the vinaigrette. And then Stilton, the king of cheeses, really nice for Christmas. I'm going to crumble that on top as well. And so you can serve this salad at room temperature, which is nice. You don't have to worry about heating it or whatnot. And so that's our salad. The Stilton, the hazelnuts, the bacon, the raisins. I think it's a really nice vegetable dish for your holiday dinner. Enjoy.